It's not too early to lay my Christmas table, is it? Not gonna lie, I'm feeling more and more festive the closer we get to Christmas. And today is definitely the most Christmassy I've felt so far. I did my usual morning routine, and then I just did some quick makeup, chucked on some casual clothes, and then headed to M&S. We treated ourselves to a little coffee before picking up our Christmas food and some festive flowers. Our fridge is fully stocked and ready for the big day. Received some really cute Christmas gifts from Eyelaw and Urban Decay, so thank you so much for those guys. And then after lunch, I laid my Christmas table. I know it may be a little bit early, but I was just too excited. I just wanted to get creative and lay the table. My theme this year was red, pink, gold and green. So very festive, but also tying in with my kitchen. I know it might be a bit OTT because there's only 2 of us, but why the hell not? I'm literally obsessed with it. What do you guys think? We are actually having more people over after Christmas, so we'll just keep the table like this for a while. So it won't just be for us two. Had to show you the night sky tonight because it was just stunning. And then I headed up to my studio to get ready. We were going out for some festive drinks with some friends. Thought I would add a little bit of sparkle to my makeup because, I mean, why not? It's Christmas. So here is my makeup. And whilst I was doing that, Robin was asleep on the sofa with the dogs. I mean, too cute. Had some dinner, and then this is my outfit for tonight. And then we headed to the bar, met our friends, and Christmas came early for the girls because I rocked out with a huge bag of beauty goodies for everyone.